You got your robots randomly spawning. We have 2 here, but we want the game to get harder and harder and harder. So watch this. If I go up, there's going to be 3. If I go again, there's going to be 3. But on this next one, watch what's going to happen. It will go to 4. 4 robots. So every new level that you go to, every 2, like this one's 4, it's going to go to 5 on this one. Let's see. Let's go to 5 and 5. How cool is that? So as you play the game and progress, it's going to get harder and harder and harder and harder and harder. Let's show you how we do this. So we have number of robots to start. So we have 2 on here. You can adjust this. Like if you want your game to start off brutal, you could have it be like 5 if you want to. But I have 2. You always, it's easy to make games too hard. You want to slowly ramp up the difficulty. A great game just teaches the player how to play. They have some time to experiment. They have some time to get good. And then once they get good, you really start ratcheting up that complexity on them. So 2 is a nice number. But again, you guys can mess with it. It's your game. So how many robots? So set your number of robots to start equals 2. Then down here under new map, our new map function, which you've already coded, we are going to add 0.5 to number of robots. You could change this to 1. Like 0.5, it only goes up by a little bit. So basically every 4 rooms adds 1 robot. No, actually every 2 rooms adds 1 robot. Let's change that. Every 2 rooms adds 1 robot. So you can come in and mess with this to add to the number of robots. And we're going to use this down here on our repeat number of robots. So remember how this was repeat 4 times? Instead of 4, we've written in our variable of number of robots. So as we progress and as this variable increments up, it will add to it. So when this is 3.5, it'll just still do 3. But when this hits 4 up here, when this hits 4, now it'll go and add another one onto it. So real simple little bit of code. We're just going to increment our variable up just a little bit each time. And so you just come in, make sure you set your initial value, make sure you add to it by a number. The higher it is, the harder it's going to get, the quicker it's going to get hard. And then repeat number of robot times. So we change that create in there. Super, super cool, super simple, super simple, but amazing. Like this core gameplay function is how many games repeat. Just the farther you get, the longer you live, the more enemies they throw at you. And that's it. It's just a variable. So there you go. All right, you guys, good luck. Go make it happen.